Starbucks union workers are planning a strike on Red Cup Day, and the Supreme Court stands skeptical of President Trump's tariffs. Jane King is at the New York Stock Exchange with those stories and more in today's Morning Business Report.
Good morning. Supreme Court justices had lots of questions about the legality of tariffs. Investors started eyeing the possibility that the Supreme Court could wind back the clock. Automaker stocks and others that do a lot of business overseas were higher on the perception that tariffs may be at least partially overturned. Well, Starbucks union baristas have voted to authorize an open-ended strike. The strike would disrupt Red Cup Day, one of the company's biggest sales day of the year, and then potentially they could disrupt the broader holiday season. Red Cup Day is November 13th. The union is pushing for improved hours, higher wages, and resolution of hundreds of unfair labor practice charges levied against Starbucks. Well, stocks rebounded after Tuesday's sell-off. A ruling against President Trump's tariffs could be like rocket fuel for stocks. And the government shutdown, now the longest in U.S. history. Multiple economists calculate the cost to the U.S. economy at roughly $15 billion a week. Meanwhile, airline stocks were lower after Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy said 10% of flights will be cut due to the government shutdown. Well, over 3/4 of young Americans say they plan to drink the same amount or more this holiday season, challenging assumptions about shifting habits. That's going to a survey of 2,000 Americans ages 21 to 44. It was conducted by Talker Research on behalf of Josh Sellers, and it did find that alcoholic drinks will continue to be a centerpiece of young adult socializing during the holidays. From the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Jane King with your Morning Business Report.